Hello everyone. Today we will practice the word agenda. Let's practice together. Agenda. The agenda. My agenda. Check the agenda. The meeting agenda. Please send the agenda. Add this to the agenda. Review the agenda now. The agenda is clear. Discuss the agenda items. Update the agenda daily. The agenda helps us. Follow the agenda closely. Prepare the agenda tomorrow. The agenda guides meetings. Share the agenda with team. The agenda is important. Check agenda before meeting. The agenda sets priorities. Discuss agenda at work. The agenda saves time. Update agenda after meeting. The agenda improves focus. Thank you for practicing today. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you again tomorrow.